everyone, let's talk about the wonder that is our anti-aging Dilo oil booster. This 100% Dilo oil concentrated face oil is an amazing oil for all skin types and the ultimate multitasker. It's great to use for dry, dehydrated skins, great for strengthening the moisture barrier of the skin, great for those suffering with any form of skin irritation, inflammation, rosacea, eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, or if you're sunburnt, a really great oil for even the most sensitive skins. You want to just take off the lid and then pump up a couple of drops of the oil. Now it is really super potent, so a couple of drops is more than enough to use. You just want to gently massage this in your hands, apply directly to your face. It is fast absorbing as well. It's full of antibacterial properties as well. So anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, a lovely, rich, concentrated oil, 100% cold pressed Dilo oil, non-refined whatsoever, one of our best sellers. As I said, it is a multitasking oil, so anti-aging, skin soothing, and hydrating all in one. There you have it. It's absorbed in so easily. Use after cleansing and toning your skin at night and just allow all of that skin soothing Dilo oil to absorb in.